We're here to share about our newly released Mani by Me Purrfect Prose. Are you guys excited to see this unboxing? Get ready to hit the stacks. Each plate is brimming with literary delights and adorable cats loafing in every nook. So the first plate is MXM 119.
So piled high with literary expressions, friendly felines, and a buffet-style bookshelf for that cozy library feel. So now we're moving on to MXM 120.
Correct.
So this plate, we warm up to a bunch of full nail designs featuring coffees, cats, and plenty of good reads. So we're going on to polishes.
Yes, catnap.
And it's a light caramel orange stamping polish and with a cream finish.
The next color I'm going to show you is Literary Classic,
which is a light gray stamping polish with a cream finish.
But these are the two colors, and as you can see, they look so good. They're really nice and opaque.
But wait, there is a surprise gift, and this month doesn't disappoint. We have a lustrous bronze metallic nail powder.
This is a powder pen, and I like the powder pen because it's mess-free option. Even if it rolls off the table, like, it'll be okay.
It's perfect all in one.
Yes, it is.
If you love your fur friends, then I think this box is going to be perfect for you.